Hello kiddos, welcome back to our channel Ed Master G. We are here to study English NCERT of class 1. In last video, we had completed our unit 1, A Happy Child. That was a poem and the chapter was The Three Little Pigs. If you haven't watched yet, please go and check the videos before coming to this poem. The link is below in the description box. After a Bath is a poem which describes things we do after taking bath. So let's get started. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Here the poet says, after his bath, he try. Try is to do something and bath is to wash your body. So after taking bath, he try to wipe himself. Wipe is to clean or dry something by rubbing it with a cloth. Normally we use a cotton towel to dry ourselves. यहाँ पोएट कहते हैं कि नहाने के बाद वो कोशिश करते हैं. ट्राई का मतलब होता है कोशिश एंड वाइप का मतलब होता है पोंछना. ड्राई मतलब सुखाना. पोएट ने कहा कि वो नहाने के बाद कोशिश करते हैं कि वो पूरी तरह से खुद को सुखा लें. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. सबसे पहले he wiped his hand, then fingers and toes. हाथ की उंगलियों को हम fingers कहते हैं and पैर की उंगलियों को हम toes कहते हैं. And two wet legs. Then he, after wiping his hands, fingers and toes, he comes to his two wet legs. He wiped the legs and a shiny nose. At last, he wiped his shiny nose. Shiny nose क्यों कहा गया है? Good, क्योंकि अभी वो नहाया है तो पानी जो है पानी की वजह से उनकी नाक क्या है? शाइन कर रही है. Just think how much less time I take if I were a dog and could shake. The poet asked to think if he were a dog, then उनको इतना टाइम नहीं लगता सुखाने में खुद को. He would have just shaked his body and सारा पानी अपने आप ही निकल जाता. एक बार हम फिर से पोएम पूरा रीड करेंगे. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I'd take if I were a dog and could shake. Now we'll proceed to the exercise of this poem. First of all, we'll learn the new words, starting with dog, then how, met, try, to. Then there's two lines to read. That is, one is I try to save water. Next one is I have 2 ears, 2 legs, 10 toes and 1 nose. हम सभी के पास 2 कान हैं, 2 पैर हैं, 10 toes हैं एंड एक क्या है? एक नाक है. Then there are 4 questions. These 4 questions are about your bathing process. Let's start it with the first one. Do you like to have a bath? Say why. क्या आपको नहाना पसंद है? एंड अगर पसंद है तो क्यों? नहीं पसंद है वो भी क्यों बताना है आपको, क्यों नहीं पसंद है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैन यू बाथ योरसेल्फ? क्या आप खुद से नहा सकते हो? If yes, then just put yes, I can bath myself. Next one is how do you dry yourself? Okay, the next question asks you to describe how you dry yourself. नहाने के बाद आप खुद को कैसे सुखाते हैं, आपको ये बताना है इधर. Then last question is how you see have you seen an animal drying itself? क्या आपने कभी किसी एनिमल को खुद से उसको सुखाते हुए देखा है? मे बी कोई बर्ड हो, कोई एनिमल हो, जस्ट लाइक ऑथर पोएट हैव सीन अ डॉग. You can write any animal, any bird. Okay, here we have to put a circle around what you do after a bath. First one is throw the wet towel on the floor. No, we don't do this. Hang the on wet towel to dry. Yes, we always hang the wet towel to dry. Okay, there's a riddle. I have teeth so sharp, but I never bite. What am I? Correct. This is a comb. Okay, there's a picture question. Do you wear these things? Draw lines from the pictures to the words. We have to match the picture with the words. Just example. First one is shirt. We have to match the shirt with the picture shirt. I hope you will do this. Do it on yourself. This one is your homework. Okay, next one is also match the following. We have to match to make a pair. The first one is done for you. Needle and thread. Next one is bat. बैट का पेयर किससे बनेगा? बैट का पेयर बनेगा बॉल से. सॉक्स का पेयर किससे बनेगा? शू से. शर्ट गुड. शॉर्ट्स. Shirts goes for shorts and bowl goes for spoon. That's it. Okay. This one is draw or stick a picture of yourself and your friend here, then complete the sentence and say them aloud. You have to paste a picture of yourself and your friend, or you can draw it also, and you have to complete the following sentences. My name is, you have to put your name here and then your friend's name in the next one. Okay, here we have to trace the path of the flowers. आपको बस ये डॉट्स को जॉइन करना है. You have to join the dots to make a path to make this butterfly reach the flower. 3 butterflies are here. Sorry, 4 are here. आपको चारों को डॉट्स को कनेक्ट करके उसको उसके फ्लावर तक पहुंचाना है. Okay, here E and F is given to learn how to write E and F in small letters. And then we have to trace the waves and color the fish. The same thing we have done for the flower and the butterfly. हमको वही चीज़ें करनी है यहाँ पर भी. डॉट्स को जॉइन करना है to make a wave and then we have to color the fish. Okay, below here given U, V and W. Join the dots and learn how to write U, V, W in small letters. Now say aloud A, B, C, D, E, and last F. Okay, kiddos, here we finish our poem 1 of Unit 2. I hope you have learned the new words. You have done the exercise with me, and in homework आप इन वर्ड्स को याद करो, एक्सरसाइज को अच्छे से करो और ये पोएम भी लर्न करो. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे इसी यूनिट का. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय.